Okay, we are starting the test of the device by Novotech Electronic GmbH, which was presented to us. As you can see, this is quite a big device. Maxim, say hello. This is Maxim, who is gonna be basically responsible for everything that you will see at the final stage. I'm just shooting the videos here with a very expensive selfie stick. Okay, this is the control software. So this is just the software from the manufacturer, which will allow us to conduct the test. Here you see the counters. We will do the test with euro. The amount of coins of mixed denominations is 870 coins. As you can see here, Maxim, tilt the box. This is the box of 870 coins. 1 euro, 2 euros, 50 cent and 20 cent. 20 cent 520 pieces, 50 cent 200 pieces, and 100 pieces of 1 euro and 50 pieces of 2 euros. Okay, Maxim, please start the test.
Well, we are starting the counting device. Open the shuffle and starting to load the coins. As you see here we have the line of max level. As you see, we loaded
Full tray
of coins. It means the capacity of this tray is around 1,000
Even
coins.
less, around 900. Yeah, as we see.
Yes.
So here we already have some rejects, which is perfectly normal. They are usually going to be back, but we're going to show it to you at a later stage. So the device is also quite loud, as you see. We will measure the decibels later. So is the size of the device. Okay, let's see what the software does. So far we have 9 unidentified coins, 10 as we speak right now.
And we counted half of all amount of coins, approximately.
And still, as you see, the performance on paper was quite impressive. In real time, well, we are beyond 2 minutes already of counting this amount. And the device crashed. So you see, the reliability is also an issue. It's not the first time. Maxim, pause. Please pause the count. No, let's do the procedure. We don't come again. Pause the count, then let's do restart count. Try to restart. No, L, внизу. Вот эта кнопка, да. Okay. Okay, it came back to life, so basically sometimes the tray gets stuck. So we also need to constantly monitor, when we develop the software, this multitude of components, which again gives us a slight problem. You can see here, sometimes the problem will happen with the coins as they will occupy the tray. So we are totaling now on 4 minutes 20 seconds so far, with one breakdown.
And not finished.
Yeah. Okay. So now we are nearing the end. The tray is empty. Now we need to retrieve the coins from here and put them back in order to finish the whole counting procedure.
As you see, we have 22
unidentified coins.
Yes, we will.
So this thing is completely real. This will happen.
Yes.
People will drop the coins.
3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11,
So as you know, some of the coins will probably never be counted due to whatever wear and tear, or maybe there are even some fake coins, as we know, minted.
We will use the scratch area on kiosk
to give the clients the chance to put all the coins in.
And also we can control the diameter of the coin.
So okay, I think we can stop on this amount rejected. As you see, we have in the tray a few coins still rejected. Here have a look inside, which is okay on this amount of coins. The client can take it home. Okay, please stop the count. Okay, the tray is closing, and now once the machine will stop, we can demonstrate the scroll function of the return. So now the client wants to return. Okay. And now, Maxim, please try to take out all the coins from the return, which from the scroll you need to open the shutter, I believe, first. Okay. So you see, in case of an scroll, we are already nearing 7 minutes of the entire procedure. Look at this happy face while he's emptying the coin. Which is a very tedious task, to be honest, given also the design of the return pocket, which we cannot modify by any means. We cannot make it wider because the factory gives it like that to us. Alright, so bottom line, we finished all the procedure at 7 minutes 20 seconds from the very start of the video. We have retrieved all the escrow coins, we have counted with mixed results because the service software doesn't count the unidentified coins, so it counts them towards, but we counted pretty much all the quantity that we needed. €1 and €2 coins were counted perfectly fine. The smaller denominations with some margin of error. So, to summarize the first run, I would like to say that the first run consisted of 870 coins of mixed denominations. Those were euro coins, since the programming of this device is quite complicated, so we decided to save the costs and do the testing with the euro coins, which resemble very similar qualities, physical qualities of the Thai baht. As you've seen, the denominations were €2, €1, 50 cents and 20 cents. The total counting time was 5 minutes and 15 seconds. The total amount of coins rejected during the counting run was 22 pieces. However, after returning them back, we ended up with only 7 pieces after finishing a 5 minutes 15 run. The run took longer because there was a small breakdown in the conveyor, which can of course happen in a day-to-day business, which of course poses an increased maintenance risk and of course increased risk of dissatisfaction by the operator and by the final customer with the procedure. Since the machine breaks down and is handling money, it may be deemed as a bit of unreliable, which might turn off the customers from using it. Another issue with this device is quite big. However, it can be reduced in size since we use the 4-bag version. We can use the 2-bag version. However, still, the device is quite wide, which will require a very wide terminal to serve the needs of this project, which in turn will of course reduce the amount of spaces where you can put the device in. The scroll and return function works very well and is very quick, since it is one big box holding all the coins, and all the 870 coins fitted there without problem. However, due to the narrow design of the machine, the rejector box is very small. So putting there about 1,000 coins will also be a very inconvenient procedure for the final customer to take the coins out, as you've seen within the video. And of course, to summarize, the performance didn't really impress on the first run. Let's see what will happen on the second run. So, this is test number 2 with exactly the same amount, exactly the same conditions. As you can see, the counters are completely resetted. So, Maxim is now initiating the procedure. Okay, let's go. Okay, we started the counter. Now the next step, we open the shutter where the coins go in. So, Maxim puts the coins in. As you can see on the size of the device, you can imagine how the potential size of the machine will be, how big the machine will be. So Maxim, just, put your arms out, show how big the device is, руками так. So you see, it takes from this very tall man quite a length of the thing. So now it's counting. Maxim is going for a cigarette, as you can see, and then he comes back, we can continue. Okay, while Maxim is having a healthy lifestyle, we are still showing you the counting. The noise level is unbelievably high. So we would need to insulate the machine, because in small environments where it's going to be placed, like 7-Eleven shops, it might be an issue, not only from the size but also from the noise. You see, there are already some points in the ejector box. I will show you again the things. So much is in the ejection. This is on the size of the not very bad, but still about 21 points now and still counting. So, you see, the count didn't finish, but this man already finished the cigarette. The rejection, Maxim, you can basically then show the rejection once it's done with all the count. This is completely done. Now please take it from the rejection box and put them in. Let's try to give it 2 rounds of counting for the consistency's sake. Total amount was 28 coins unidentified. Okay, I think it's good enough. Whatever stays, stays. Let's just show how much stayed. Okay, we have only 2 coins left in the rejector, which is not bad as a result. Now please stop the counting procedure. Close the box, in order to stop, and now we reject again. That's it, we're gonna spare you from taking out the coins, watching Maxim doing that. That's it, that's test number 2. From test number 2, we have the results. Quite consistent, 520, 200, 148. which is not bad. Another thing which is quite funny but very sad for clients is sometimes when you drop your box with the coins after you did the rejection through the escrow mode, and people are storming on that and wanna take all your money, Maxim. Everybody wants to take all your money. But all fun aside, these things happen as well, need to be taken care of in a sense with some matte or anti-sliding surface in front of the machine anyway. So, I would like to summarize the second run. The second run took approximately 4 minutes under exactly the same conditions. 28 coins got rejected. We recycled them several times and we ended up only with 2 coins when we decided to stop the run in order to complete the procedure. Basically, the second run went smooth, and if you add additional time for putting coins into the bag, printing out the voucher, and everything else connected with the procedure or transferring the wallet, we can add probably an additional minute to the entire procedure, which gives us, on an amount of 870 coins, approximately 5 minutes without a breakdown. That's it. We see each other on the test of the next device. Thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.